Thank you for visiting the Baron Hotel website. Another excellent website developed and supported by the Matin intelligent company. In this presentation, we want to make clear how to use the Baron Hotel website to book a room and manage the website. The audience of this website is Persians. For the beginning, let's start from the main page. In the first page, you can see a menu on top which contains our web headers such as rooms, restaurants, sport and wellness, and a contact us. There is also a panel for the longing of special members and the co-workers. After the menu, we can see a slider at the top which contains some photos of the hotel. When we scroll down, we can see 3 boxes that explain about rooms, restaurants, and entertainments which attract the customer's attention. Just after, there's a box that shows the 3 most popular rooms of the hotel. By scrolling down, you can see the box which tells about Baron Hotel's story, and at the end, you can see the address of the hotel in the footer. A quick tour. Let's review the main menu. At the beginning in Restaurant tab, we explained about each restaurant and we talk about the kinds of food, cook, different cuisine, working hours, and also you can see some pictures in slider next to the comment for each restaurant. In the Sport and Wellness menu, you can see some description plus a gallery of pictures. If you are required to contact us, you have to open this tab and fill the form simply. Alright, for now, let's book a room from the Baron Hotel website. For this purpose, we have to go to Rooms menu. There is the drop box to customize how the sort of the results show in order to find the most appropriate choice. By reviewing the result, you could select the desired room to look at the information and pricing. Let's choose a normal twin room. In each room's profile, you may review the gallery of pictures, facilities, and the short description. At the left, you may put the start and end date of your accommodation, the number of adults and children, additional services like lunch or city tour to get the exact price in Toman. Please note, the excellent advantage here is the fare is the basis on hotel's manager to what price he desires to announce for Iranian's audience in local currency, which is Toman in the website. The second added value of this feature is the flexibility of price schedule entered from the admin panel, easy to disable a period of time during high season or able to give a special offer and low pricing, issuing coupons as well to promote customers to visit the hotel in the low seasons. Just after basket verified, you have to fill this form which contains about name and contacts including email address which the voucher mailed there. In the end, we have to click on the pay button in order to forward to the Iranian bank gateway. After the payment successfully done, the voucher will issue and will send to user's email address. Let's little talk about co-workers and other travel agencies requiring such services. The attraction point for them is the simplicity of getting the price online in Toman, book the rooms online from Baron Hotel for selected dates and customized services needed. And finally, the best attraction for the hotel is getting the pay of full amount immediately online, and the fruit for the agencies is special agencies offer, which cuts the normal price as his commission to pay. Such an agency's percentage can define and change at any time from the admin panel. Let's see the differences. First, we book a room with normal account as a guest. The cost of rooms is almost 3 million Toman. Now, we log in with an agency account like Tafaroj Gash. This agency took 10% discount to buy. We'll choose the same date and services. Yes, the price is 2.7 million Toman, exactly 10% less than normal price. Now, I am hoping you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and now, you are in a position to use the website easily. Thanks all, and keep us touch by email info@matin.com.